All right, Mr. Young here with another PE skill hack. So back to the lollipop paddles and striking with short handled implements. So this is just you can see a foam ball, it's squishy. You might have these at home, you might not. And I've had students tell me, hey, Mr. Young, I've been working on my paddle skills, but I don't have a paddle at home. No big deal. If you don't have a paddle at home, you can use your hand, and that's just as good as using a paddle to work on those striking and volleying skills. Now, Mr. Young, I don't have a ball. No problem. A lot of you might have one of these at home, just a plastic bag. And the great thing about plastic bags is they're so light. So all we need to do is scrunch up this plastic bag, and now, boom, we have a lightweight, easy ball. If you wanted to make it heavier, you could either put maybe some paper in here, or maybe some very, very small, like a little bit of sand, or maybe just a little bit of rock. And then by putting just a little bit of weight in there, it will weight it down and make it heavier. So now, if I have a paddle again, okay, maybe a ping pong paddle at home, maybe an old badminton racket, or a old tennis racket, and you can do the skill at home even if you don't have a ball. So that's your PE skill hack of the day.